What are the most important concepts in GED genetics? Imagine your body as a giant instruction manual, and inside are tiny chapters called genes that tell your body how to grow and function. That's what genetics is all about. When studying for the GED Science test, understanding these basic ideas can make everything easier. First, DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that holds all the instructions for building and running your body. It's made up of smaller parts called genes, which are like specific instruction sheets. These genes tell your body how to make proteins, which are the building blocks of your traits. Genes are located on chromosomes, which are long strands of DNA wrapped around proteins. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, with one set coming from each parent. This is why children often resemble their parents. Some traits are dominant, meaning only one copy of a gene is enough for the trait to show up. Others are recessive, so both copies need to be the same for the trait to appear. For example, brown eyes are dominant over blue eyes. To predict how traits are inherited, scientists use tools called Punnett squares. These are simple grids that show all possible gene combinations from two parents. Sometimes, genes are linked, meaning they are close together on the same chromosome and tend to be inherited together. An example is blue eyes and blonde hair. There are also sex-linked genes, which are found on the sex chromosomes. The X and Y traits like color blindness are more common in males because they have only one X chromosome. Genetic variation refers to differences in DNA sequences, like single nucleotide polymorphisms, which are tiny changes that can influence traits or disease risks. Evolution explains how species change over time, often through natural selection. Traits that help animals survive and reproduce are more likely to be passed down, shaping the species. Knowing these concepts helps you understand how traits are inherited, how genetic disorders work, and how genetics influence health and evolution. When preparing for the GED Science section, focus on these ideas to build a solid foundation in genetics and heredity.